Welcome to the attic. Today's episode will be another one in the series Will It Fix? With me today I have this beautiful Tandberg Huldra, which has some issues. As I can understand, it is only one channel working, and the other channel which working is a very low volume. So the question today is, as always, will it fix? Come join me! This is a huge radio amplifier. As you can see, it fills almost all my working space. So I have to put the camera where you are right now for me to be able to work it and for you to see what I'm doing. So just let us jump into it. So I'm going to open it, and as always these Tandbergs, they have two screws on each side. And you to lift off this one. This one is just to lift and slide. There. I have been testing this one, and it is just as the owner tells. The left channel is not working and the right channel is weak. I suspect these capacitors to be the main problem. So what we're going to do, I'm going to replace these capacitors with an equivalent, and then we're going to check the current for the transistors. If that was the problem, then hooray. If not, then we're going to search a little more. The first thing we're going to do is to replace these capacitors. I have flipped the amplifier over. You can see, because we need to take off this bottom cover to be able to reach the solderings. Like that. Let's put you down for a little, and you're going to this holders like that. Okay, and these two. There we go. 4700 microfarad, 40 volts, and the positive is up. Okay, that one I don't have, but I have someone we can use. These ones, as you can see, they are a little shorter, but they are not smaller. 10,000 microfarad, and as you can see, 4,700. 10,000 is more than double. That does not matter, as long as it is the same working voltage. It's no problem at all. Just have a little more reserve for the lower frequencies. So let's see. Positive up. There. Okay. There we have it. And then the next. There we go. Positive up. Like that. We have been replacing those two with two down there. I have connected the amplifier to the power grid. I had connected to a couple of loudspeakers. Then going to check. Switch on. Okay. Right channel working. Left channel working. Cool. So it was exactly as I thought. It was these old capacitors, which probably one of the capacitors who has been leaking current or anything. So it blocked totally. They are now replaced, and the next thing I'm going to do before I'm going to adjust anything is to replace a few capacitors in the power amplifiers. There have been replacing some capacitors which, well, some people ask why do I do that, and some people totally agree with me. The case is that these capacitors I have been replacing, they have this ability to be leaking either oil or current. So I just replace them. It does not cost that much. And what else I have been doing is that, if you see down there, R749 and R751, it is two power resistors. I've been using my mighty multimeter, and I have been connecting over each one of these resistors. The case is the voltage between those resistors is supposed to be on a cold amplifier, cold transistors, going to be 6 millivolt, or you can adjust it on a hot, which has been, if you power it on and let it sit for 15 minutes, then the transistors is hot, then it's going to be 11 millivolt between those resistors, and also for the right channel. So I have done that. Everything is now adjusted, ready to put together and to be handed over to the owner. And there we got it. So the question was, as I asked in the beginning on this episode, would it fix? And yes, indeed it would. It works like a charm. So, as you understand, for this episode is very close to its end, then we all know what we have to do. Me, I have to thank you all for watching, and also thank you very much for your support. And you, please, all the new ones, and also those who have still not done it yet, these buttons down there, dislike and subscribe, press them. Hopefully one day it will benefit me. So until next time, bye!